Cute ito. It's from all of us. Yun yung sana individual.
Pwede ako magsulat. Ako na lang
Lahat tayo magsulat.
Yay.
So gay, and I have to sing a song alone, you know.
I'll write a different dedication to my mom. How are you? Ano siya eh?
Okay, binigay mo? Ito balot na.
Very... Saan yung... I love you. Wish... Paano yung tono na to? I don't know. Anong wish I could be the one? Grabe naman yung mga lines dito. Alam mo yun? At na yung mga lines na pamatay yung lines. At least yung kay Robby, ano yung sa'yo? Yung... Sa iyong ngiti, ako'y... At least sa kanyang ngiti, akin love eh.
Sa'yo, tingnan mo.
Ba't kanyang
Wish
ngiti?
I could say to you that I'll always stay with you, but baby, that's not me. You need someone willing to give their heart and soul to you.
Very good. Pero, ba't tungkol sa love?
Promise you forever, baby, that's something I can't
Ganun na
do.
ba ka ka-deep?
Aalamin ko.
Wow.
Oh, I could say that
Tulungan
I'll
sa
be
decorations.
but that would be a lie.
What's that? Ano yan?
Tayo gagawa.
Hindi. Sila. Si Linda gagawa, tapos sasabihin niyo, "Uy, guys, sulat naman kayo."
Lahat tayo gagawa.
Okay. Pero ano, binutukan ako.
Ganun lang.
Ay, binabaan ako. Uy, ito mo ang candy cane, yun na lang. Candy cane. Dito, lagay ka ng
Lalagay ko
sword.
name niya ha, Linda.
Lagay ka ng... Hindi, ako na magle-lettering na lang ako.
Ayaw.
Lettering. Maayos.
Ito lang.
Hindi, lettering. Tapos yan yung sa outer layer.
Oo.
Please.
Bilisan mo.
Yes. Yes, my lord. I have to sing.
With who?
What's this?
I love you, goodbye.
Wish I could be the one. I hope someday you can find someone to understand I'm only doing this for you. I don't really want to go, but deep in my heart, I know this is the kindest thing to do. You'll find someone who...
Do you sing it alone?
Yes!
Yes!
With the rose.
What?
With the rose, like you.
What? Me also? No.
Yeah, you,
No.
me, Alex, and Robbie.
One song each.
Yes.
What is happening
Oh.
here?
Bilisan mo.
Saan
Follow your cable.
Sa iyong...
I need to
Hindi, pencil muna. Para perfect, diba?
Why isn't there flower?
I know
I need to hear the song. I don't know the song.
Huh? What?
I need to hear it.
Me too. I don't know how to sing
Walang
that
outlet
stupid
dito.
song.
Hey, go to Kuya. Ask for a longer.
Sa iyong...
You can hear it in the living room.
Yeah.
Yeah, because there's an extension one.
Alright, let's go. Yeah. Stay away.
Yeah.
Pagtapos sa akin na to, ha?
Yeah,
Ito yung pangalan mo to, ha? Pagtapos sabi ko na.
Bilisan mo.
yeah. Stay away.
Kailangan malaki.
I can stay lost in this moment.
Wait, I'm not in the sleepers go. Let's go.
Boy, that's too big.
That's too big.
Every moment spent with you in this moment forever, forever and ever. I don't wanna close my eyes. I don't wanna fall asleep 'cause I miss you, babe.
Yung?
And
Uy, no,
Eh,
sa outer portion yung Linda. Sa cover. Sa loob tayo mag-sign
Hindi,
eh.
PBB Teen Edition yun. Dito, di ba letter, pagkabukas mo,
Linda,
Linda, comma. Di ba?
Sa akin to, ha?
Dito yung parang dedication sa, lagyan na natin PBB Teen Edition. Tapos yung mga names natin nakakalat
Sa akin na to, ha?
Gawin
I love
lang
you, good
ako
boy,
mamaya.
ha? Pagtapos sa akin na to.
Mama,
Basta,
forever, forever and ever. I don't wanna
Paano to sa
close my eyes.
Wish I could feel
Sleep 'cause I miss you. Don't wanna miss a thing. Even when I dream of you. Please dream of you. I still miss you, babe.
Hello, gusto ko ng white jacket. It looks good.
Need someone.
Baka lang yan, ha? Sige, ginaw you.
Mga bread sa tanan.
Ayun.
Only one jacket I have. Wow, pagbigti.
Okay na yan, ha?
Pagbigti. Basahin mo ng 2 paragraphs.
Nakakamatay. Sobrang
Basahin mo
lamig.
ng 2 paragraphs.
I hate the way you walk, hate the way you talk, hate the way you look at me, I hate the way you smile, hate
Pinakalas.
those big brown eyes, cause I know they're
Contradida.
not for me.
Tapos na? Uy!
See you sa labas.